Hello everyone, welcome to the BlackHat Path. If you want to learn cybersecurity from scratch and reach an advanced level with real practical skills, then this series is for you. In this complete roadmap, I'll guide you step by step from basic to industry level concepts. Before we start, let's understand why cybersecurity is such a powerful field. Today, there are more than 3.5 million unfilled cybersecurity jobs worldwide. It's a high paying career with global demand, and most importantly, it's a skill based. So if you start now and stay consistent, you can build a very strong future in this field. In this series, I'm not just going to teach theory, you'll get a complete roadmap from beginner to advanced level. We will do practical labs, real world hacking scenarios, and I'll also provide notes and assignments. And along with that, I will give you access to a free Udemy course and a completion certificate. This course is designed for everyone. If you are a complete beginner with no experience, you can start easily. If you are a student like BCA, MCA, or BTech, this will help you build strong skills. And if you are a freelancer or a job seeker, this course will guide you towards real opportunities. My teaching approach is very simple. I'll explain everything in easy English so that everyone can understand. But more importantly, we'll focus on practical learning. You will not just watch, you will actually perform labs, solve assignments, and learn through real examples. Now let's look at the course structure. We'll start with Linux and Python fundamentals, then move to information security basics. After that, we will dive into web security and hacking, followed by network security. We will also cover cryptography, GRC, AI security, and advanced topics like SOC, SIEM, and digital forensics. So basically, this is a complete industry level roadmap. In this course, you will actually perform real tasks like scanning networks using Nmap, testing websites using tools like Burpsuit, performing VAPT, and working with SIEM tools like Splunk. So, by the end, you will have real skills, not just theoretical knowledge. After completing this course, you can explore multiple career paths. You can become an ethical hacker, security analyst, penetration tester, SOC analyst, or even a bug bounty hunter. These are some of the most in demand roles in the cybersecurity industry. As a bonus, I'll provide you with a free Udemy course for my subscribers, a course completion certificate, detailed notes, and resources. And in the future, I'm also planning to build a community where we can learn and grow together. One important thing, this course is strictly for educational purposes only. We promote ethical hacking and cybersecurity awareness. We do not support any illegal activities, so please use this knowledge responsibly. If you are serious about learning cybersecurity and building a career in this field, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Let's grow together in this journey. Now, I'll see you in the first module. Till then, stay sharp, and this is the BlackHat Path.